Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can set up a payout method on Stockx. So within Stockx there is the payment method and the payout method. When it comes to payout method, it is basically getting your balance out. So what is a balance? Basically Stockx balance allows eligible sellers to store earnings from sales in their Stockx wallet. Sellers can earn 5% rewards credit by using that balance to purchase on Stockx, and they can use it for payouts for your sold products are available. So you can basically use this balance either to buy or later on to get it out. So there is many ways to get your money out. For Stockx, supports 4 methods of payouts for sellers within the United States: PayPal, Venmo, bank transfer, and debit card. And outside of the United States, they accept PayPal and bank transfer depending on the location. So how can you allow this to happen? First of all, you will need to go to your profile and here go to selling. As you will go to selling, you will need to actually verify your identity. Of course, you will be a seller, so this is very easy. And then the last method is to set up your payouts method. So go ahead and choose your account type, then provide and verify your information as I mentioned. And there choose your payout method. As you will be seeing, it's going to be something like this. Choose the payout method and then simply just choose whatever suits you the best. Either if you are in the United States, choose for example PayPal, Venmo, bank transfer, debit card. In case you're outside, simply choose PayPal or bank transfer. These are the supported currencies by PayPal, so you can choose whatever you want from these. These are all supported by PayPal, so literally just choose whatever you want from these ones. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. This is how you can make yourself a payout method within Stockx. If you did enjoy this video guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.